What's up, everybody? It's Cheddar Chess, and today we're going to be reviewing YCImaging's new limited time edition spring LUT pack. He just dropped them, and I decided to cop them, so I'm going to show you guys what they look like. See, this is personally the first time I've ever bought LUTs from anybody. Normally, I just go to the default LUTs that are already preset in Premiere and just adjust the color corrections and all the LUTs and stuff from there. And I don't really ever bother with anybody else's LUTs. But these were super cheap and you had a discount this weekend, so I was like, you know what? Why not try somebody else's LUTs? Okay, so I've got 3 videos here on my computer. Each of them have all 3 LUTs that I got from YCImaging. So basically, I shoot my video straight out of camera for the colors. I don't shoot flat or in any type of other mode, just straight out of the camera. So depending on how you shoot, LUTs are going to affect your video differently. So you might have to tweak the exposure and all types of other stuff to make it look right. So I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like right here. I'm turning on the first LUT that I got from them, which right now is super duper harsh. So what I'm gonna have to do is go into the first LUT right here, which I just turned on, highlight that, and then just drag the intensity down to kind of smoothen it out a little bit. So you can see there's a big difference. If I go and turn it off, turn it back on, it makes a big difference, makes it look a little bit better. I definitely like this LUT, and I think that it works very well. It kind of makes it very, very warm for this interview, and this would definitely be a LUT that I would use for this. Let's go to the second one. So yeah, this one's a little bit cold. So again, it's super harsh. So I got to go in here and adjust the intensity of it. So yeah, I was looking at these LUTs earlier, and I think like this second one is something that is going to be very, very specific to the feel you want for your video. Has kind of like a cooler tone to it. Is what I'm trying to say. But I do like it. It's pretty dope. So yeah. Let's go to the third one. This is actually my favorite one that he put out. This is the one that he just dropped that he uses now on his YouTube, and this is why I actually bought the LUT pack, because it looks so sick, and you can see the difference between this one and the first one. There's not as much contrast, and I love the contrast that it has right here on the side of her face versus right here in the middle of her face, and I think it looks super duper dope. Just doing a comparison like that, sick. Even going to like the B-roll looks sick. So if we play it, she's talking, the B-roll looks freaking amazing too. So I definitely like the third one. So let's move on to the second one, the second video. I've got just me doing some handstands on my campus, the school that I'm at. We'll start from the third one and just work our way back up. Again, the third one is like one of my favorite ones. For this video in particular, I like the first one, to be honest, because it just gives that warm feeling like I said earlier, and this is one of those videos where I will want to retain that warmness. Like if I compare that to the second one, which gives you that cool feeling, like it still looks cool, but looking at my skin, I still like the way that it looks versus, you know, the cool version of it, the cooler version. But yeah, I definitely like all 3 of them, and I think that they're all sick. So let's go check out the third one. I already corrected all the LUTs for the second and third videos, so we don't have to do that anymore. But let's go check out the first one right here. So yeah, the first one, sick as always. Definitely like it. But what really got me was the second one, because like I said earlier, how you know, you want to apply the second one to something that's going to be specific to that feel that you want. I feel like this video could have been that, like adding here goes the second LUT right here, turn it off and back on, turn it off, back on. This just gives like a really dope feel to it, and I really like it. It's kind of cool, but you know, I feel like it matches like the sky and all that stuff over there. But the third one again is sick. I honestly don't know if I like the third one or the second LUT better. They're both pretty sick. Let me do a little comparison. Boom, that's the second one. Then that's the third one. They're both sick. Like I said, I am honestly impressed with all the LUTs that I got from here. They're pretty dope. Like I've been saying the whole time. I think the first one and the third one are pretty much like all arounders you can use for pretty much any clip that I've been using them on so far. The second one, like I said, is going to be more specific to the type of feel that you want, But the first and third one can be tweaked to whatever video that you want to use it for. So that's a wrap for this video, guys. If you guys like it, give me a thumbs up. Comment if you have any questions on anything that I ever put out. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe. We got content coming every single week. Like I said, go check out YCImaging. He'll be somewhere around here. You'll see his name. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Keep it easy. Stay cheesy.